Before we get started with our talks, what I'd like to do is acknowledge the many sponsors of the CURE Symposium, without whom none of this would be possible. The Molecular, Cellular, and Developmental Biology program is contributing money to, I think, every lab in this room. Howard Hughes Medical Institute has also contributed, the Biological Sciences Initiative, and many others, including former students from the Python project and the Klunkowski lab. So I wanted to ask you all, because this has come up again and again in Discovery Lab and in Python, the courses that I teach. I'm curious about how many of you had failed experiments this semester. Yeah. Okay, so if you look around, it's a lot, right? And I think that's exactly what we expect. I was talking to a former student a couple of weeks ago, and I was explaining to her that the Discovery students were really struggling with failing. And she brought up something that I thought was really important for all of us to remember, which is that if, as undergrads, in 4 months we could cure cancer or cure antibiotic resistance, we wouldn't need to do research, right? So what you've done is you're forming the basis of many, many years to come of research. And when people look for things like new treatments for cancer, they're going to find your work, and it might actually be pursued in a real lab. So congratulations to you for putting in all this effort, because this is really an amazing display of research. Okay, so each of the courses that does research in MCDB is represented here. There are 5 courses, and each of those courses is represented by 1 to 4 students who are going to describe their work. We're going to start with phage genomics, and we're going